I sold volatility 51S index at this level, and you can see moving in good profits, just moving nicely well. So what's my market analysis on this index? I was able to predict the sales at this point, looking into all of that in today's video. So as I always do, I start from the higher time frame whenever I want to analyze the market, whenever I want to look at trade opportunities. I always emphasize on this. You guys should make this as a habit of starting from a higher time frame whenever you want to look at trade opportunities. You don't just go to the 5-minute time frame and place your buy and sell at anywhere, because the sell price creates a lower high formation, then you want to sell in a lower time frame. Or you just go to the 1 hour time frame and just click the buy and sell because you had a level of support or level of resistance identified. That's not the way. You have to go to the higher time frame and have a proper analysis on the market. You have to do the right things as a trader. So I went to the weekly time frame and saw that this index has been on a long-term uptrend. This can be seen at this point. Identify the market structure. Whenever I want to analyze the market, I always start from the higher time frames. Can be the monthly time frame, the daily time frame, and the weekly time frame. But in most cases, I start from the weekly time frames so I can have a bigger view of the market, so I can have a bigger picture on that particular index, right? So you can see that on the weekly time frame that this index has been in an uptrend, a long-term uptrend for weeks now. So after identifying the market structure, the market direction on the weekly time frame, the next thing we do is to spot the levels and zones we got. And this uptrend that we got previously, this previous market trend, which is market being an uptrend, it got broken. We had a break of trend, right? There was a breakout of this uptrend. Market shifted from an uptrend to a downtrend because these lows we are taking out, we got a break of structure at this point. These lows we are taking out basically is the last low and the most visible low of this uptrend. So there was a break of structure here, and we had a break of trend support at this point. You're supposed to get price buy from here as a trend support. You're supposed to get price buy from that particular level, because we've been seeing price buy on the test of this level. We got the first buys at this point, the second buys here. So you're supposed to get price to buy on the test of this trend support. So that is basically, and we got our trend resistance at this point. We got price sell on the test of our trend resistance, right? The first time, the second time at this point would say, and the third time. This is a clear uptrend structure on the weekly time frame which we identified. So we've been able to know that volatility 51S index was previously in an uptrend. So what do we expect of this market on how it has broken out of this uptrend structure? So let's identify the levels and zones we got. We got this level as an important level because you can see that price reacted on this level a couple of times. The first reaction here, we didn't really get a proper reaction at this point, but price still came back to give us the proper reaction. When we zoom in the chart, you can see this clearly that we got a reaction at this point, another reaction at this point, another reaction at this level. There was a breakout of this resistance level here. We tested here as a support. We got this little buys to the upside. Price still broke below it. We tested it as a resistance, and we got the sells to the downside. So basically, this is an important level, a key level we have on 51S index, and we got another level as well at this point. We got price react on this level as a resistance here, support and support. So these are 9 important level we got on this index. So the last level currently is at this point, because you can see that we got price react on this level a couple of times. Resistance here, support at this point. Let's identify the market reactions on this level. We got price react on this level as resistance, right? Resistance at that point, support here, resistance still at this level. Resistance here, you can see there was a break and a test of this level, the sell to the downside. So this is a resistance level, a support at this point, support here, right? Support again at this level, because price sold to the downside. When it got to this level, it's reversed back to the upside. It's got to the upside. So that's a support level, and because price react on this level, but price has failed to break, price has failed to buy on the test of this level as a support level, because we've seen past market reactions on this level. Price has always bought on the test of this level, but here price failed to buy on the test of this level. It's broke below it, and currently market is trading below this identified key level. So what do we expect of this index? Are we to get more sales on this index in the coming days and hours and weeks, basically, because this is a weekly time frame? Are we to get price sell to this identified level on this index? Because we could be expecting the sales on this index to this next lows, this swing lows, and we have this level as an important level. Price reacted on this level a couple of times, a support and a support. So likely to still get price sell to this level a reaction on it. So let's go to the daily time frame to have a view as well on this index. So on daily time frame, you can see that this index has been on a long-term downtrend here. This index has been on a long-term downtrend and it's currently on a downtrend still. So I worked alongside with the daily time frame structure, the daily time frame trend, to have my view and my bias on this index, because the same price create lower highs and lower low structure. So there's a possibility of price continuing its bearish run. So we could expect more sales on this index from this current price level. So we got our levels and zones identified, and we have a particular level, a particular key level, a level of resistance would see, because we've seen how market has reacted when it gets to this level. You got multiple market reaction on the test of this level. Firstly, a resistance here, a resistance at this point, resistance, there was a break below it, resistance here, right? So we're getting the sales to the downside. So what do you expect of this index? I would say get more sales, which I looked at for, or looked at for sell opportunities on 51S index, because we have a level on this blue line. Basically we got a market rejection, right? We got market react on this level a couple of times. This is actually a key level. Let's identify market reactions on this level. So we got price buy on the test of this level the first time, price bought from it again at this point, right? We got the buys here. We'd say not really a clear buy, got a little buy before price broke below it. So we got noisy market moves at this point. We got noisy market reactions at this level. So there's no clear market movement on this identified level. It was at this point that price bought on the test of this level. So likely to get price continue its sales from this current price level after giving us a test of this identified key level, because price reacted on this level here as a support. There was a break below it, support broke, returned resistance, and we're getting the sales currently at this point. And we've seen price create a couple of lower highs and lower low structure. We got a high formation at this point, then we got another high, a lower high formation. Basically this is another lower high, this is a lower high. We got the second lower high structure, which is a bearish formation. Always take note of these market structures, market formations. So these are the three lower highs we got. So there's a possibility of price giving us the sales from this current price level to the downside. We're likely to get price create a new lower high from this level, because I've seen the first lower high here, the second lower high, and the third lower high. So at this point, we're likely to get price give the sales to the downside for the formation of a new lower high. So the sales expected basically, and I'll be having my first target level at this point on the neckline of this formation. We have a formation at this level. Let's not forget a reversal pattern formation at this point. So likely to get price give the sales to this level. So this will be my first TP level. I'll be having my second TP level at this point. Let's go to the, I've taken partials in this trade. Basically I've closed some positions, and I've not actually moved my stop loss below my entry. The sales still expected. I'm still expecting the sales on 51S index. So my first TP level would be at this point, because we could get price react on the approach of this level. My second TP would be at this point, and I'll be having my third TP at this zone. So any remaining position I would be holding, I will be swinging the position long term, a swing position, right? I'll be having my target level at this point on the forward time frame, at least to this identified level, this general level, expecting price to sell to this level at this point. I would be having my target level at that zone, right? So that's my view, market analysis on 51S index. More sales expected basically in the coming hours and days and weeks in this index. So let's watch out for the sales. So that's it guys. Hit the like button for more trade review and market analysis like this. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel. To my returning viewers, I appreciate your support for always engaging my videos. Let me start guys. Let's do more and do have a wonderful day. Peace. If you can get price retest this level, right, getting the sales on this index, more sales, I may take more position at this point. I may take more sales by the end of this video at this point. So that's it guys. Thank you and have a wonderful day.